When you Google mortgage brokers in your area, what do you see? If you're not showing up, you need to set up your Google My Business page, drive reviews, and make sure your information is consistent across the internet. If you haven't done that, stop everything. Showing up on the Google search results does not happen overnight. What? I'm not rich yet? But after hard work and several weeks or months, you can look forward to seeing yourself in the local search results. Once you've built your foundation, LeadPops has a way for you to capitalize on all your hard work. You've spent all this time building a beautiful highway to your business. Now, all you need to do is add traffic. That's where the LeadPops Advanced Local Plus package comes in. You can pay to jump to the top of the local pack and get calls directly from local clients with this new Advanced Local Plus service. If you run these ads without upping your local credibility first, it's pointless. Who is this guy? If you've been putting time and effort into improving your local credibility, you can take the same money that you were spending on Facebook ads and put it directly into this Advanced Local Plus service. You can sign up on the webinar on July 1st to get a full breakdown of the Advanced Local Plus service and how you can improve your local credibility. Are you the local mortgage expert